What if you could generate a video this realistic just by typing a sentence? No camera, no crew, no editing skills needed. Just type what you want and Google's new AI called Gemini Omni generates it for you inside Google Flow completely for free. And the results are honestly shocking. Let me show you exactly how to use it right now. So first, let me quickly tell you what Gemini Omni actually is. Gemini Omni is Google's brand new AI model that generates and edits videos from just a text prompt. But what makes it different from every other AI video tool out there is how realistic the output is. The textures, the colors, the lighting, the human movement, everything looks so natural and balanced. And not just the video, it also automatically adds perfectly matching sound to your video. This is honestly the best text-to-video generator I have seen so far. Open your browser and go to Google Flow. Link is in the description. Sign in with your Google account and click on New Project. Once you are inside the workspace, click on the button at the bottom of the screen. A creation panel will open. In this panel, select Video at the top. Then choose your aspect ratio, 9:16 for portrait and 16:9 for landscape. Keep the multiplier at 1x. The model is already set to Omni Flash, so leave that as it is. And choose your video duration, 4, 6, 8 or 10 seconds. Just keep in mind each generation uses 25 credits. Now click on the prompt box at the bottom and type your prompt. We are generating a realistic video of a person walking through a busy street market in the evening with warm golden hour lighting, natural crowd movement, and a cinematic handheld camera feel. Full prompt is in the description below. Once your prompt is ready, click the arrow button to generate. Google Flow will queue and generate your video. Once done, it will appear directly in the All Media panel on your workspace. Click on it to open the video editor and just look at this output. The video is so realistic, you genuinely cannot tell it is AI generated. The textures, the colors, and the lighting are so balanced and natural. And it added perfectly matching ambient sound on its own. No extra steps. This is honestly the best text-to-video generator out there right now. Now inside the editor, you will see the timeline at the bottom showing your clip. If you want to make any changes, just type in the Describe Your Edits box at the bottom and Omni Flash will apply those changes directly without starting from scratch. To build a full video scene by scene, click the plus icon next to the edit box, select Add Clip and add any media from Flow or upload something new from your computer. Once you are happy with everything, click the download button at the top right and your video will be saved directly to your computer. That is Gemini Omni in Google Flow. Free, realistic and honestly one of the most impressive AI tool Google has ever released. What kind of video are you going to generate first? Comment below. And did you know Google had something this powerful for free? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Tweak Library for more free AI tool tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Take care.